If you have a module and you want to require your students to do all of the activities in the module, you're going to go to the module, click on the three dots, click Edit. You're going to add a requirement, and students must complete all of these requirements. Students must move through them in sequential order, meaning in order for the module to be done, they have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's not selected, then they can do them in any order, they just have to do them. And so the other thing you can do is they have to do at least this activity. But we want them to be able to, we want them to have to do all of them. So we're going to update the module. Now, when we go into Student View, and we go to that module, now they have, I've already done this one, so they have to do that. They have to do all of the modules before they can move to the other ones. So that is a way to require the students to at least click on the modules before they advance to the other activities.